For a standard toilet replacement, you should plan for about 2 to 4 hours from start to finish for an average do-it-yourselfer. Begin by shutting off the water at the shutoff valve and flushing the toilet to empty the tank. Then sponge any remaining water from the bowl and tank to reduce spills. Protect the floor with drop cloths and have a bucket and adjustable wrench ready for the supply line and flange bolts. Keep the new wax ring and bolts within arm reach so you do not hunt for parts mid-job. Remove the old toilet by disconnecting the supply line, loosening the nuts on the closet bolts, and lifting straight up while an assistant tilts and steadies the fixture for less strain. Clean the flange area thoroughly and inspect the flange for cracks or corrosion. If the flange is damaged, plan an extra hour to repair or install a flange repair kit. Set the new wax ring centered on the flange or on the outlet depending on the ring type. Lower the bowl straight down to compress the ring evenly and tighten nuts by hand. Then snug with a wrench in alternating increments to avoid cracking the porcelain. Reconnect the supply line. Turn the water back on slowly while checking for leaks. Allow the tank to fill and perform several test flushes. Then caulk the base if desired to finish the job. Common mistakes are underestimating time when hardware is seized or corroded, which can add significant disassembly time. Prevent this by applying penetrating oil to nuts and bolts ahead of time and have replacement bolts and a flange repair kit on hand. Another frequent issue is improper wax ring placement, which leads to leaks at the base. Avoid this by using the correct ring type for your flange height, centering the ring carefully, and lowering the bowl straight down without rocking. A third concern is not testing for leaks thoroughly after installation, which can cause water damage over time. Check the supply connection around the bowl base and inside the tank after filling, and again after several hours of normal use. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for projects like toilet replacement and lets contractors connect with homeowners looking for work. We host a discussion community where we share tips, timelines, and real-world experiences so users can plan projects with confidence.